Curved on brakes on a Nissan Altima. I'm going to start with the rear for this video. First thing you're going to need to do is get your 14mm out and take out only this top bolt here. Then you can slide it. As soon as you can do that, one sec, let me fix that. You take you a flathead, of course not this. This isn't quite a flathead, but this will get the job done. And you want to wedge it up in there so that you can push the piston back. This is what you do if you don't have a C-clamp. You see? So now I'll push this brake pad back like that. So now it slides nice and freely. You see that? Piston's completely back. Take and slide the pads out. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, please do it now. Or subscribe to my main channel, The Vegan Mechanic. I won't be posting any food videos. These videos on there. Next, there's two 19mm. Let's see, one there, one up there. Remove those two. They take a great deal of effort. I have a pretty long 19mm wrench here, so you just take both of those completely loose. I already broke them free. I had to use two hands for that portion. Once you get those two 19s out, you just take the bracket completely off. So now what you're left with is the rotor. You see the rotor won't come off like this. So you're going to hit the face of the rotor with the hammer. Now it's time to put it back together. Next, you get your new rotor out the box. You want to clean it off. It comes with an oil from the factory. Just want to get all that packing oil off. On the old rotor, you need to remove this. Normally it can be done with a finger. And then you want to insert it here. Now, as you see, I'm not left-handed. Jeez. I will also have a link in the description to where to order these parts at. Let me use two hands. Now it's on. Square it down just a little bit more. Take your bracket. Put your bracket back on. Get that lined up. You might have to wiggle this a little bit, get your 19s lined back up. I'm going to go hand tight first. Make sure you get both bolts in before you start tightening it up. Because if you tighten one all the way down, you won't be able to get the bottom one in lined up perfectly like you need to. Next, it's time for your brake pads. Now that you got your pads in, you want to get your bracket back on. Your caliper. So you just take it, slide it on, flip it up, flip it up. Take your 14mm, slide that bad boy in there. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Make sure your brake pads, have this side out. You want the rougher side facing the caliper. And be sure to tighten the bolt. Boom, then you're done. Do your other side. Then when you bring your vehicle down off of the jack, be sure to pump your brake pedal, whip the car off about 3 to 5 times until it feels hard, and then you're complete. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.